Rizal Park. Random lang guys, direct ta. Right turn. Ito right turn. Dili na ito matuhad to. Madulong na siya to. Direct lang ta. Sunog na sunog dito napaahan to. Papo maklaron mo na sunog. Oh, baka digil. Ano yung footage oh? Trinidad Building. Hello guys, continuation ni sa atong Bernie Santo nga road trip video. Ana ko karon diri sa Domingo Village Street, Cagayan de Oro City gyapon. Diaunahan is ang Corrales. Diri sa Picas is ang Jarborha. Uban din sa ninyo guys karon sa atong pag road trip. Tara, let's go. Working Burger sirado gyapon sila. Right guys, direta guys, left turn. Direta sa Corrales Avenue. Unong sa tanong na Trinidad Building. Soroy lang ta guys. Kaya mingaw man. Wag mo biyan ni siya. Stop. Go na guys. Right nata sa Divisoria. Mingaw karon guys.
We were sparks on quiet streets, two hearts finding where to meet. But life pulled us apart, left me talking to the dark. If I called you tonight, would it feel the same? Or have we both moved on to different names? Take me back to the start, before the quiet and the scars. When the world felt small and your hands felt warm. Take me back to the start, if only for a moment. I've been up since 3, scrolling back where we used to be. Half truths in this late night chat, both of us knowing what a lie that. Funny how we talk like we're fine, but your name still lives in my rhyme. Take me back to the start, before the quiet and the scars. Take me back to the start, before the quiet and the scars. When the world felt small and your hands only for a moment. If only for a moment. Take me back to the start, before the quiet and the scars. When the world felt small and your hands felt warm. Take me back to the start, if only for a moment.
Mingaw kayo, mingaw. Direta right turn ta, right turn. Direta likod agi. Smiles. Food hub. Direta. Direta. Random lang ta guys, dire lang ta. Right turn. Dire ta, right turn. Dili na ta madto to. Padulong na siya sa Kogon kanang street. Dire lang ta. Mingaw kayo. Wala nang labay. Mga kalapati. Ayun, City Health dire. City Health sarado. Dili ta, right turn ta, right turn. Pa Nazaret na dayon eh. Yun eh. Yung apart. Coffee oh. Pwede mag-coffee. Direta. Sirado gyud. Umasako ta agi guys. Pwede magyapon ta dere. Tong right. Straight lang tayo, straight ta. Ato tag Tumasako. Sirado gid ka sa gara. Malugay pandisal na. Abre permi. diri sa Nazaret guys, maglibo gid mo kay tagan kay siya street. Pero pag magsige na mo gaagi diri, maanad naman mo. Ma-memorize ninyo madugay kay. Libo gid siya kay mga numbering ba. Diri ta Masako Street. Asa ka ta makasandig na diya unahan. Right, go na guys. Bago Village Fresh. Bago na siya. ulan dito sa High Ridge guys. Taro, kitaan ninyo High Ridge dito, padulong. Ay bago diri nga po ano, bago nga building. Arco Hardware and Construction Supply. Diri nahimutang sa Barangay Makasandig, Cagayan de Oro City. Hopefully guys karong nga tuig maka road trip tag layo-layo. Mostly naara ko sa Cagayan, Bukidnon, Misamis Oriental. Gusto na kumantog mga lagyo ba? Aling lang. Naman tayo mga gabuhaton mga dali. So, nang medyo kuan. Manifesting lang daan ni. Hopefully ta. Unwind at the winds. At winds. Ultra winds. By the way, already ultra winds dari agion sa South Diversion Road. Nata sa Buena Oro guys. Ay no, sige na mo kakitaan ni sa akong mga vlogs. But pakita lang ako sa inyo otro. Mingaw gyapon no, wala gyud pinamaligya pato atong butong. Kita yung naibuntod man na dyan sa ibabaw. Tsada kinadya oh. Ako kita na yun dyan sa ibabaw kaning nasa akong top left nga kuan sa camera. Nilino kay kamay kay naka wide mo ganyan akong gamit. Lagi na diya ako klaro na diya paluparan ako og drone. By the way guys, speaking of drone, nan ako'y drone. Kaso di pa ko kabalo magpalupad. So nagpractice pa ko. So maybe mga pila ka videos na natay mga aerial footage na akong mapakita sa inyo. Hopefully makabalo kong palupad na. Kaya to be honest, hindi pa ako kabalo magpalupad. Na ako'y drone na to 1 week na. 1 week na nako na napalit. Wala pa gid nako nagamit kay sobra ka busy. Antod na lang, naabta na lang nga nag road trip na pud ko. So wala gyapon tay aerial shots karon. Hopefully sa mga sunod nga mga videos nana kay praktisan ko pa to. Alright, na dito sa South Diversion Road. hopefully ma-master na magamay na ako ang drone. Ano siya, DJI Mavic ay DJI Mini 3. Nasunog ba dito napaahak ko pa ako maklaron yung mga naisunog. Oo, chadaligin chado yung footage chada sa footage yan ay chado siya lighting ba. Guys, mapaayon ang sakyanan kay check engine ng yapon. Busy lagi kayo, so wagid na pa tanaw pa, wa pa napascan. Hopefully next week baguman sa Holy Week, hopefully mapacheck na yun ako. Check engine ba taon siya antod karon?
Mirror, mirror on the wall, tell me who gon' rise and fall. I've been running from my flaws, still I'm standing 10 feet tall. Mirror, mirror, don't you lie, I can see it in my eyes. Truth gon' surface every time, even when no other
dancing with my shadow in a room full of gold, trying to count on my regrets like the stories I told. Mama said, boy, don't sell your soul for applause, but the silence louder now than a million gods.
I seen kings fall quick for a hit on a reel, seen queens trade crowns for a 6-figure deal. I don't blame them, I just pray for them. We all one mistake from the cage out the graveyard, living like a movie, but the credits never roll. They gon' crop you out the frame if you ever lose control. Talk truth, they call it hate, but the fake love louder than an ache. Every scar got a sermon in it, every L got a learning in it. I ain't perfect, I just pin it how I lived it. If the game rigged, then I still pivot. Mirror, mirror on the wall, tell me who gon' rise and fall. I've been running from my flaws, still I'm standing 10 feet tall. Mirror, mirror, don't you lie, I can see it in my eyes. Truth gon' surface every time, even when no mirror, mirror on the wall, tell me who gon' rise and fall. I've been running from my flaws, still I'm standing 10 feet tall. Mirror, mirror, don't you lie, I can see it in my eyes. Truth gon' surface every time, even when
they
no
want
other
captions,
skies.
not scriptures. They want clout, not pictures. They want pain and a filter, so I bleed through the pics like scriptures. You can't cancel what's already broken. You can't mute what's been outspoken. I spit truth with a chip on my shoulder. Got trauma in my tongue and the world getting colder.
Used to pray for a check, now I check on my spirit, cause the money don't echo when your soul ain't near. I see fake friends turn saints in the crisis, but they ghost real quick when the fame hit its eyes. Still I ride for my day ones, still I ride when the pain comes. I don't flex, I reflect, I don't fear, I dissect, yeah. Every verse got a little confession, like every scar, just a deeper question. Mirror, mirror on the wall, tell me who gon' rise and fall. I've been running from my flaws, still I'm standing 10 feet tall. Mirror, mirror, don't you lie, I can see it in my eyes. Truth gon' surface every time, even when no mirror, mirror on the wall, tell me who gon' rise and fall. I've been running from my flaws.